Hi everyone, in this video we will discuss probabilities of simple event. So first question we have a die is rolled, find the probability of each outcome. First we need to understand what is a die. So if you don't know, this is the shape of a die. It has count 1 to 6. So like 1, then you have 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it has 6 faces and 1 to 6 are the numbers available. When you roll it, you get one of them at one time. Okay, so I hope you know this, and I'm sure you might have played this. Okay, now first question we have, find the probability for greater than 1. So what is the probability? The probability formula is favorable outcome divided with total, right? That's your formula. You need to remember this. Now in this case, greater than 1. So how many possible outcomes? You can have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These numbers can come. Okay. So favorable outcome is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 numbers are the favorable outcome, and total numbers on this die is 6. So 5 over 6. Don't get confused, Mr. Like this is 2, 3, 4. These are just count, okay? Don't get confused by looking at the number. This is just a count. If 2 is come, it is 1. If 3 is coming, then it's a 1 count. 4 is coming, then it's a 1 count, okay? So like this, how many numbers can come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers can come. That is our favorable outcome. So 5 over total how many faces? Total how many numbers? 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the total sample space. So 5 over 6 is the probability. When you find in the terms of percentage, multiply with 100. Okay. If it asks you in terms of percentage, then multiply with 100. So 5 divided 6 multiply with 100, you will get 83.33. So your probability is how much? 83 percentage. I'm writing in the round figure. Probability is 83%. Now odd figures, odd numbers only, sorry, not figures, numbers. Now favorable is 1, sorry, 1, 3, 5. These are the odd numbers which can come. What is the total sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many number? 1, 2, 3. How many total? 6. So 3 divide 6 will give you 1 divide 2. When you change it to the percentage, you multiply with 100, so that will be equal to 50 percentage. You multiply with 100, you will get 50%. Now less than 2. Less than 2 means only 1 is the favorable outcome. Less than 2 means only 1 can come, and total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So favorable outcome is 1, and total outcome, total sample space 6. So 1 over 6, you simplify this, multiply with 100, that will give you 17%, right? Yep, that will give you 16.66. So that is roughly 17 percentage. Now probability of 1 or 6, when it says or, you do plus. When it says and, you do multiply. Okay, when it says and, do multiply. When it says or, do plus. So probability of 1 plus probability of 6. So I have discussed this in the class also. Probability for each number is how much? For a die, 1 over 6. Why? Because 1 can come as 1 count, total is 6. Similarly here, probability for 6 is 1 over 6. Probability of 5 is how much? 1 over 6. Probability for 3, 1 over 6. Probability of 2, 1 over 6. So like that. So that will be 2 over 6, and that will 1 over 3, and that will give us 33%. Okay. I'm sure you will definitely understand if you watch it again if you find it difficult. Okay, so that's how we do it. Now next question we have, two friends are playing a game with 20 sided die. Now this time a die have 20 side. In the previous die how many face? 6. Now this time you have 20 sides or 20 face. Okay, so total how much? 20. That has all of the letters of the alphabet except Q, U, V, X, Y, Z. So these are not on this, because how many alphabet we have total? Alphabet we have total 26, right? From A to Z. But here these are not in the list, so we have 20 which is given. Now what is the probability that the die will land on a vowel? What is a vowel? The vowel is A, E, I, O and U. So how many total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is our favorite. But here U is not on the die. So if it is not on the die, then here it will also not available. So how many favorite now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So favorite only 4 available. So the favorable cases 4, total is 20. So 4 over 20 will give you 1 over 5. Multiply with 100. 1 over 5 multiply with 100. You will get in the percentage. So that will give you 20%. Right? Now, how will you write it step by in the exam? You will write like, first of all, you write the formula. Probability is equal favorable outcome divided with total outcome. Now favorable outcome is A, E, I and O, because U is not here, and the total is 20, which is given here. So this is 4 over 20, and that will give you 1 over 5. In the percentage, that will be 20%. So your probability to land on a vowel is 20%. Okay, you can write that as a sentence. The probability to land on a vowel is 20%. That's it for this video. I hope you understand, and see you in the next video.